Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I am installing something that I have been waiting to install. It is my rear windshield from ACW Motorsport Plastics. And why am I installing this rear windshield? Well, that is because the rear windshield on my car was cracked. So I had to buy a replacement for that. That's when I thought, why not buy something lighter instead? So I got a polycarbonate rear windshield from ACW, and the package itself weighs 4 kilograms, so I'm guessing it will weigh between 2 to 3, maybe not 2, but at least 3 kilograms. So what I'm going to do now is open up the package and then remove some silicone that is around the frame, and then we're going to use this instead, apply it, and then that should be it. You guys might be wondering that I've put yellow tint on the front indicators. The car looks a lot better right now, just from the front. Of course, there's more to it. That will come very soon. So yeah, let's begin. Nice. So this is the gadget we're going to use the silicone and to apply it here around the frame. I'm not going to do it since I do not want to mess this up, so I'm going to give it to the professional. Den gick ner för mycket där, tror jag.
Också. Ja, vi får trycka in den nu lite. Så ska den vara exakt. Tryck.
Alright, so this video turned out to be very short. Maybe to make this video a bit longer, I'm going to come back to you guys when the silicone has hardened. We'll be taking these off and also the film. That'll be it for today, and I'll see you guys in the upcoming days. Alright, so 3 days has now passed, and I can finally take off the tape and the film over the rear windshield. And now to the best part. So if you guys see the condensation, it's not because it's not fully sealed. There's still some leftover water inside, so that's why it looks like this. So nothing to worry about. Wow, this totally makes the car look so much better. Only thing that's missing is now the wing that's inside.